Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Michael Kors medium tote in black. I love that it has a lot of compartments where I can put all my essentials for the day, and it fits everything, even my iPad. And the center top with magnetic closure helps me to keep everything inside. And I really like the fact that it's easy to clean. It doesn't scratch easily. I can put it on the floor and it's fine. And it has this beautiful pocket that I put my credit cards or sometimes my money or a makeup. And it has this key that actually works. And the fact that the strap is removable allows me to have this office look whenever I'm wearing a skirt or a dress for more of a polished look. And on the other hand, I can adjust the length of the strap, and that gives me the option to wear it more of a casual look and have the bag as a crossbody bag. And that's our point of view.